In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color labels behind Notion properties. Let's jump right in. Head over to the left sidebar and click on the page you want to work with. Once the page opens, take a quick look at your table view and confirm that the priority property is visible. This is the property your color labels will respond to, so it needs to be present before we move on. Next, look at the table header at the top of your table. You'll see a plus button sitting just to the right of the last property column. Go ahead and click that plus button to add a new property. A property type menu will appear with a list of options to choose from. Scroll through the menu and select Formula. Once the new formula property is created, you'll want to edit the property name. Click on the default name and type in the formula property name that you want to use for this column. Now we'll set up the actual formula that powers the color labels. Click inside the formula editor to open it up. With the editor open, carefully type the formula you want to use into the editing area. Take your time entering the formula exactly as you need it, since this is what will generate the colored labels behind your priority values. Once the formula is entered and looks correct, click Done or simply click outside the formula editor to close it and confirm your work. At this point, you should see the labels appear in your formula column with their colors applied. Finally, let's check that everything is working the way it should. To confirm that the labels respond properly to the property values, look across the formula column or the formula property name that you chose earlier and review how each row is displaying. You can also test this directly by clicking on some rows in the priority column and changing their values. As you update the priority on a row, watch the formula column to see if it updates and changes the way you want it to. If the color labels shift to match the new priority values, your formula is working correctly and the setup is complete. And just like that, now you know how to add color labels behind Notion properties. You've added a formula property, written the formula that drives the color labels, and verified that the labels react properly to changes in your priority column.